tired. This is wig number, let's see. 1, 2, 3, wig number 4. And now on to wig number 5. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Camilla Jules here with another wig review. Yes, it's another headband wig, and I know you guys are saying every time it's a headband wig, but I want to try all different types of lengths and textures and companies. That way you guys can see how different companies' headband wigs are, because I have noticed some differences between different companies. I reviewed a 16-inch curly wig, and between two different companies, they look totally different. Like one looked more layered, one had more density. So I think it's important for me to try all the different textures so you guys can see it. And if you are interested in seeing more of my headband reviews, click the link above so you can check out my other headband wig reviews. Now, if you are new to my channel, I do not only wigs, I do natural hair videos, natural nail videos, fitness, glasses hauls, family vlogs, so a little bit of everything. So I like to call this channel more of a lifestyle channel. Now, before we get into the details of the unit, we always talk about the lippy. And the reason for that is because in past videos, people have expressed interest or asked what color lippy I was wearing. I love lippies too. So the lippy that I'm wearing today is a Colored Rain liquid lipstick. It is their matte liquid lipstick in the color Latte. So you've got this beautiful nude color, very beautiful. And now into the details of this unit. I'd like to thank Reshe Hair for sending me this unit for review. I really appreciate it. So you've got a comb here in the middle, you've got a comb here on either side, and you've got your comb here at the back, and your adjustable straps. So this is their 18-inch body wave human hair unit. So as you can see here, it's got this beautiful wave at the bottom here. And it is in the natural color. So this is a human hair unit. It is a natural color, and you can actually dye this unit. Now, if you are going to be dyeing any of your human hair wigs, please make sure you know what you're doing. If not, ask a professional, because if you don't know what you're doing, you can ruin the hair. So this hair is very, very soft. I'm running my fingers through it. I'm not getting any tangling, and I'm not getting any shedding. Really, this is very beautiful hair. I really like this one. Now, I'm wearing the headband folded. It actually is a wider, it comes as a wider headband. So this is how it is if you wear it all the way down. If you're experiencing any hair loss, or you simply just don't want to show your hairline, or maybe prefer wearing it this way, you have that option. Now, I do prefer the thinner look, so that's why I fold it back. And also when you're wearing thinner headbands, it helps so that you can hide the headband. Now, this wig is heat safe, so you can actually straighten this hair, or you can even curl it a little more if you'd like. And this is how it looks on the left, on the right. This is where it falls at the back. And for reference, I'm laughing because I say this in like every video, but it helps for people to know where it falls. For reference, I'm 5'2.5". Yes, the half counts, but this helps you to determine where it would fall on you depending on your height. Now, everybody's torsos, neck lengths, everything is different. So, even if someone else is 5'2.5", it may still look different on them, but this is how it looks on me. The cap is very comfortable, so this wig is big head friendly. And I will show you the headbands. can restyle them very easily in a few styles. Now I do have a video where I did 9 different styles on my headband wig, so click the link above so that you can see 9 different ways that you can style your headband wigs. Today I'm going to show you with this wig a couple ways to style it. You can wear it in like a flip over style. With headband wigs, the straighter textures it's not as easy to style them in, the top bun as it is curlier hair. But every time I get a headband wig, I gotta attempt to see if it can be, oh, it's slipping a little bit. Okay. So one thing to note, when you have a headband wig, in order to keep the hair from shifting when you style it, you have to use the combs. Now I do caution you against using combs because combs can cause damage. But in terms of restyling it, once you start moving the wig around, it will move. Okay, so this is a kind of a bun. I will insert a picture of what the bun should look like. So this is a really easy, simple bun. So pros of headband wigs, they're very beginner friendly. You basically just take it out of the package, plop it on, and go. This is literally how it comes out of the package. I didn't do anything to this wig. You can restyle them very easily. If you are going to the grocery store, if you're going to the gym, if you just need to style your hair very quickly, headband wigs are a perfect option. This is definitely a pro. Cons, I don't really have any cons about this unit. Honestly, pretty much all of the headband wigs that I've reviewed, I don't really have any cons about them. They're very beautiful. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload a new video, you will get the notification. And I say it all the time, follow me on Instagram because I will post pictures here that you guys won't see on YouTube. If I restyle a wig or even if I wear a wig that I haven't reviewed, I will oftentimes post a picture on Instagram, and if the notifications aren't working over here, I will also let you know on Instagram, as well as Facebook, as well as Twitter. I have a whole bunch of different social media platforms. All the links are in the description box below, or you can check my About section here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Wig dance, wig dance, wig dance.